Seed Plant Characteristics by Billy the Kid Carmouche. What is a seed plant? Well, a seed plant has three characteristics: roots, stems, and leaves. And the seed plant obviously bears seeds so it can reproduce that way. Its characteristics all have two types of vascular tissues: the phloem, a vascular tissue that moves food to the roots and other parts of the plant, and the xylem, a vascular tissue that moves water and minerals to the stem and leaves. More characteristics: all seed plants use pollen and seeds to reproduce. Pollen are tiny structures that contain cells and later become sperm cells. Pollen then travels to the egg. After fertilization, a seed develops. How a seed becomes a plant. Inside a seed is a particularly developed plant. If a seed lands in an area where conditions are favorable, the plant sprouts out of the seed and begins to grow. The young plant that develops from the fertilized egg is called an embryo. An embryo has a beginning root, stem, and leaves. In all seeds, the embryo has one or more seed leaves, or cotyledons. The seed coat that covers the seed acts like plastic wrap and protects the embryo and its food from drying out. Seed dispersal. Seeds can attach to an animal's fur or a person's clothing. An animal can also eat a seed and later release it. Seeds can also move through bodies of water and also travel by wind. Germination. After seeds are dispersed, it may remain inactive for a while. Germination occurs when the embryo begins to grow again and pushes out the seed. Root functions. Roots can anchor plants, absorb water and minerals for the soil, and sometimes they can store food. Lastly, stem functions. Stems carry substances between the plant's roots and leaves. The stem also provides support for the plant and holds up the leaves so they are exposed to the sun. The end.